Okay, so remember CCP polls, reservation dala. Are you satisfied with the way the things have taken place as far as reservation is concerned?
My friends, I am not at all shocked to see the way this delimitation was done by Mr. Babush Munsarat. This Babush Munsarat, we supported him for 2 elections. And I want to tell Mr. Babush Munsarat that I am not a leader of Panjim, I am leader of Goa. And I want to remind Mr. Babush Munsarat that every day is not a Sunday. If he has bifurcated my ward of Miramar into 4 different parts, that means Babush Munsarat is scared of his own shadow. I have been the mayor of Panjim. I have been a corporator 6 terms, more than 30 years. And everybody knows Suren Furtado.
Okay.
I am appealing to all the stalwarts of BJP like Datta Prasad Naik, ex-MLA Siddharth Kunkalekar, Mr. Utpal Parikar, Oscar Rebello, Valmiki Naik, all these people have to come on one platform and show this Babush Munsarat his door. Enough is enough. He thinks that he can do everything with his money power. Let us see. I am appealing to all his leaders, Datta Prasad Naik, Siddharth Kunkalekar, Utpal Parikar, Oscar Rebello, Valmiki Naik, all other people come under one decision. People are thirsting to see that this panel which was there for 15 years did nothing. He has put new faces. I want to tell Mr. Babush Munsarat, in his outgoing panel there were 75% youth who did not open their mouth even once for the meeting. Neither even read the agenda, what he is telling, what he wants to show. I want to remind Mr. Babush Munsarat, very soon there will be assembly elections. And I will be ready for him. Thank you very much.
Okay, but what happens now to Suren? Because तुम्ही bifurcated बा म्हटला. So contesting in any other ward, woman केला आणि किती exactly आता?
In my ward, ward number 9, he has bifurcated 3 parts of us in different wards. Why? A real politician fight the battle facing forward. A real football player plays the football properly, not by cheating, by having penalty goals and corner goals. If he was a real leader, he will have not touched any of the 30 wards. Because he claimed himself to be the leader of Panjim and Goa. And he wants to control Tiswadi. He is over. We will see to it that all of us come on one platform and defeat his panel.
So would Suren be contesting in other ward or what it is?
Suren is a leader and he can contest in from 1 to 30.
1 to 30. So yes, Ogala.
I have been a mayor for 4 terms. I have been a corporator for 6 terms, 30 years. Got a point?
So how are you going to form your own panel?
Yeah, yeah.
Let the time come, you will come to know what it is.
Have you spoken to them?
I will not open my cards right now.
But reservation is done by the commission, election officials.
No, reservation was done by Babush Munsarat in his office with the 3 people. I will name them at the right time. Got a point? It was Babush Munsarat who had done this reservation along with the 3-4 chelas in his office of Panjim.
Suren bhai, one more thing is that तू आज Datta Prasad, Utpal, Siddharth म्हणता ते BJPच्याच leader, बाबूशी BJPचा leader.
BJP have sidelined them, I don't know for what.
But they are not saying anything.
Let them not say. I am appealing to them, come forward.
You think when
I am appealing to AAP, I am appealing to Congress. Come forward on one panel, on one platform. And let us have a clean CCP.
So would Suren also set up a panel here now?
I will not open my cards right now. I told you, don't put words into my mouth.
Okay, what happens to Surendra and his wife? Would they be contesting
You
also?
will come to know at the right time. I said, I am an all-go leader.
Correct.
I can contest from 1 to 30. Because I have done work like that as a mayor and as a corporator. I have also contested
Correct.
the election in the assembly. So everybody knows my face.
Okay.
And everybody knows my image and my clean image. That is my plus point. And I want to remind Babush Munsarat, every day is not a Sunday. People have we voted for him. Everybody voted for him. And within a month he goes, where is the casino? Why is not removing the casino? Now he's saying that shopkeepers are saying that they will lose business. My foot! Mr. Babush Munsarat, I want to remind you your same word. Every day is not a Sunday. Thank you very much.